repairing a gas can that I own. I've had it for about 5 years, but the date on it's like 1980 or 70 something. It's one of them awesome gas cans that last forever. Well, finally I broke the back vent on it. I'm like, there ain't no way I'm throwing this gas can away, because I've been through I don't know how many modern gas cans. So I went with this white box from Amazon. Hopefully this will fix the trick and I can go back to using my gas can and filling it up all the way. So the link will be in the description below for this. They give you a bunch of worthless stickers that won't stick to no gas can. And if you get gas on them, they will most likely just fall right off. I thought this was going to be more of a stringy type, but it looks like just soldering wire. Nice and stiff. Should be long enough. The tool to be crimping that part down. Looks like it's going to take just a valve stem cap. Most likely I'm going to put a plastic one on there. That way it doesn't start rusting and stick to it. Looks like we get the drill bit, which is a pretty good size. Hopefully, it says it's a SSH 8. It's maybe an 8mm, I guess. And we get 8 of these, I think. 2, 4, 6, 8. They're very light. Comes with a nice cap to go over the rubber O-ring to keep it fashionable. Sorry you guys aren't seeing all this. Normal O-rings. They may be gas repellent ones, maybe not. At least they're normal size. Nice see-through hole there. Not expecting much out of these. Not for the price. I got them on sale for $7. Close to Christmas time, so they're on sale. Little red cap in there. Okay, let's go put one in. Well, here we go. Going to be installing this new breather into this gas can with the kit. I was hoping I could put it here, but I'm no engineer, so they put it there for a reason. This one's broken. I forget what year this gas can is. Super old. Best gas can I've ever had. Somewhere there's a year. Not seeing the year. Probably 80s or 90s, 70s, 80s, 90s, one of them. Somewhere in there. But this finally broke. Just peels back. See how it peels back? Then there's a hole in there. Now I was just gonna put glue on there, but then the glue may fill up the hole. And somehow over the years this has been crushing, like somebody had crushed it on purpose. I've let this thing air out. Doesn't even smell like a gas can anymore. So I'm hoping, now most people will be using this drill bit, drilling a new hole through. I'm hoping that I cut that off and it's about the size of the drill bit. So I don't even have to cut a hole. Bad for the video because you guys want to see what's going on. But I think it's going to be my luck. And then we got these little stickers that we're going to put on that are totally worthless. I got a bunch of different cutter devices here. You want to see? I can't get flat with that. Wow. Shoot, I could almost fill that hole in and be good. I was not preparing for that hole to be that small. So I have to get me that drill. Man, if you guys seen all the tools that I had out ready to cut that. Okay, getting the drill. So we're gonna drill right into where that old hole was. I was thinking about filling it up with water. Not that I'm gonna make sparks or anything, but the water would catch any debris that falls down into the tank. That way, I don't have any floaties. Just getting my drill ready. Okay. Gonna be drilling right in the exact same hole if I'm lucky. There must be an inner part right there. Okay. That's nice. Now I'm going to see if this fits in there with no problems. Oh, I can't even... May I just ruin the gas can. How am I going to put that in there if it's got to like pull around and up and down? This ain't going to be fun. So that fits right in there. Hopefully we can get the thing to wrap around this part right here. Just taking this thing apart because we want it to fall down into just this. And then that will go in like that. Guess I could have put it out the side or something. Okay, so we're gonna turn on the light so you guys can see. Pick up all the nitty bitty pieces. Looks like I may have got some of the scrap out of the can. Most likely you guys won't be able to see something here. Got this wire. Just undoing the wire. Sticking the wire in there. This is gonna be hell. How am I gonna get that? I need your guys' flashlight. Oh, I can almost grab it. How am I getting that lucky? So what I was hoping was I had one of them grabbers. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about. People have them grabbers for lost tools and all that. I could have went way down in there and grabbed it. So since this pushes it backwards, it's going to be near impossible for me to get it without. Wait, can I go this way? Oh, cool. I went through the top. Okay, so I went through the top. I hope that can do that. That's awesome. Wait a minute. I ain't ready for you to take off yet. I'm going to... I'm going to try to just put a loop like that and see if it will pull it through. If not, it falls in the gas can, you pull it back out, blah, blah, blah. Oh, oh, can you guys see how close that was? Look, right there's the shiny bit, but it didn't make it. That was cool. Don't know why it was cool, but it was cool. Let's put it back through. I'm getting lucky with this gas can. Okay, pull that back up. So bending it is not going to work, but it came so close. Alright, put that in like that. Can we flex it like this? Flex it like that. I'm thinking about putting tape on there or something, but you got to think of how you're going to get this wire out afterwards, which I'm just going to shove it through. Okay. Don't think it's making that angle because of this right here. Oh, it just did. Oh, look at that. We got it. Did you guys just see that? Glad you're excited as I am. Sliding on the O-ring first. See that go right there? Putting the O-ring on there. The beauty washer. Which goes right over there like that. And then the nut. Now, sadly, I can't show you guys if this is waterproof or gas proof. Now, I think if I push this down in there, it just falls into the tank forever. I should pull it up like that to secure it. I think that's what I'm going to do. Where are my pliers? I don't have a wrench or anything for this. I thought I was fully prepared. Oh, started squeezing out the gasket. Now I got extra gaskets because I got a couple extra of these. I think I'm going to back it off just a little bit. Now to get this out of here. Oh, cool. Hey, it pulled out. Look at that. I'm going to fold this up to use it for future gas cans because all modern gas cans are just junk. For video purposes, I guess I gotta put it all. There we go. That ain't it, boys. We have to put this fancy sticker on here that ain't gonna stick worth a damn. And as soon as gas gets on it, because everybody spills a little bit of gas, it's gonna pop right off. Okay, that looks cool on there, even though it's not gonna stay. Look at that. You know what? I like this pretty well. I'll have to see if it leaks or anything. Yeah, it's pretty strong. Way better than what I thought it would be. Again, I'm going to be using a plastic cap because it's just a valve stem for a car. A plastic cap, that way it doesn't weld itself on there if I don't use the can and it's sitting outside or something. Thanks for watching.